Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide what you're watching or listening to from music on your Xbox Series X profile. So if you don't want people seeing any of this information, maybe you're listening to Taylor Swift and that's kind of cringe or something, and you want to go and hide that from your profile, we can go to General and go on down to Online Safety and Family, and then go on down to where it says Privacy and Online Safety. And then we can go to Xbox Privacy and then go to View Details and Customize. We can set to Custom. Then go to Online Status and History. And then the first option is others can see if you're online. So you can change your status right there. If you don't want anyone seeing if you're online or not, we can go to Block. But you can set to Friends, that's what I do. So everybody can't just see me. But here's the setting we want to go to. Others can see what you're watching or listening to. Decide who can see the live TV and on-demand videos you're watching and the music you're listening to right now. If you block online status, this also is blocked. So if you block it here, this is also blocked in this section. But you can set this to friends, everybody, or block it. Then we have others can see your game and app history. Decide who can see your game and app history. So if you don't want people seeing that you're watching or listening to Spotify, you can block it here too. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.